How to get $80 Wayfair coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Wayfair coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, couponfollow.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Wayfair. Just scroll down. Now here you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Wayfair. You can see that 50% off, $30 off, $25 off, 60% off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you wanna grab, just click on the offer. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Now copy the code and click on redeem at Wayfair. You will be directed to the official website of it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you will be able to use it. Once you're in the website, you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your purchase. You'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Wayfair. Also, you can head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also check out this one website, Groupon. Once you're in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Wayfair. So this way you can easily get up to $80 working coupon code for Wayfair. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.